Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. The question said, if a plus b is equals to 13, find into a minus 5 all to the power of 100 minus into b minus 8 all to the power of 100. Now, what are we going to do so that this question can be able to solve or be solvable? Let's consider a plus b. They say if a plus b is 13, a plus b is equals to what? 13, right? Now, from here, you can either make a or b the subject of the word formula. Okay? So let's make a the subject of the word formula. By making a the subject of the formula, we have to subtract b from both sides. So that this is a plus b minus b is equals to 13 minus what? B. B minus b is gone because it's 0. We have a is equals to 13 minus what? B. Okay? Wow, this is amazing. This is pocket genius. I love this. And you love it too. Okay? At this point, let's substitute the value of a. The value of a is 13 minus b into what? This. Because we are asked to find the value of this. So remember that this is what? Into a minus 5 all to the power of 100, okay, minus into b minus 8 all to the power of what? 100. Wow. I will know that a is equals to 13 minus what? B. Now, we are going to substitute the value of a into what? This. So that this is what? Bracket, then into what? 13 minus b, then minus 5, bracket close, all to the power of 100, minus into b minus 8, all to the power of what? 100. Wow. What are we going to do? Now, let's concentrate on this. Let's simplify this way. Okay? Because the only way we can achieve this is when this is equivalent to this. Then you can easily what? Evaluate. Now, we know that this is also known as what? In bracket 13 minus b minus 5 all to the power of 100 minus into b minus 8 all to the power of what? 100. Wow. Let's see where we are going to end with this. Let's know our answer to this. Now, we know that 13 minus 5 is 8. So we have bracket 8 minus b all to the power of 100 minus into b minus 8 all to the power of what? 100. Don't rush. Pay attention. This bracket and this, they are not, what is inside this bracket and this, they are not the same. We are having here as 8 minus b, which is not equals to b minus 8. What are we going to do? Now, what we are going to do is very simple. Let me remove this bracket and put parentheses so that it will be very smart and easy for us to do something very amazing and interesting. I can also write this as what? Into 8 minus b all to the power of 100, okay, then minus what? Minus into b minus what? 8 all to the power of what? 100. Wow. What am I going to do? Or what are we going to do? Can we solve this? Yes. So what method can we apply here so that this problem can be solvable? Do you know that we can do something very interesting and amazing here? What are we going to do? Pay attention. This is not equivalent to this. But the question is, what are we going to do? Because we are asked to evaluate this and know the value we are going to have after evaluating. Now, I'm not wrong, or we are not wrong, Please accept what I'm saying. You are not wrong. I'm not wrong. If you decide to write this as bracket -1 into b -8 close bracket close, all to the power of 100 minus into b -8 all to the power of what? 100. Now you can observe this and tell me where I'm wrong in the comment section. Please, I beg of you. Because we all know that -1 times b is minus b. -1 times -8 is 8, because minus times minus is plus. Okay? Now this is equals to this. They are the same. But why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that this problem can be easily be what? Solvable. To be easily be what? Assessed. So that you can achieve what you're looking for. That's why mathematics is so amazing and interesting. Okay? Wow. But I want you to understand something very important in indices. Do you know that into a multiplied by b all to the power of 100 is equals to into a to the power of 100 multiplied by into b all to the power of 100. This is one of the properties of indices, which is very interesting, and it will help us here. It will help us here. Now, this minus is like a, b -8 is like b. So what are we going to do? We can write this as what? Into -1 all to the power of 100 multiplied by into b -8 all to the power of what? 100. Then minus what? Into b -8 all to the power of what? 100. Wow, this is amazing. This is pocket genius. I love this. Wow. Have you seen why the law of indices is very interesting when solving problems? Because it guides us. It gives us the next step, what to do and not what we not do and what to do. You can see that the law of indices guides us here. What if we don't know the law of indices? What are we going to do? That is why I'm using this opportunity for you as you're watching this video. If you don't know the laws of indices, please know it, because this law of indices make mathematics easy. Because there's some question that you can apply this law and you're done. That's what happened here. Sometimes you can come to this place and you feel so challenged that what am I going to do since they are not the same? But you see one of the properties of indices are purpose here. So what's next? At this point, let's simplify respectively. We know that -1 to the power of 100, since 100 is an even number. Remember that even numbers are those numbers that when divisible by 2, there's no remainder. So 100 is an even number. And whenever an even number is the exponent, the base here would be what? Despite the fact that the negative side is attached, must be what? Positive. Okay? So -1 to the power of 100 simply means -1 times -1 times -1 up to 100 times, which is what? It's still 1. Because 1 times 1 is 1. So if -1 is multiplied and sent to 100 places, it's still what? 1. Nothing changed. So you're having what? 1. Sorry for my marker. I see having what? 1 multiplied by into this will remain as what? B -8 all to the power of 100 minus into b -8 all to the power of what? 100. Now -1 times this is something as into b -8 all to the power of 100 minus into b -8 all to the power of what? 100. Are they the same? Yes. What are we going to do? Since into b -8 to the power of 100 minus into b -8 to the power of 100, they are the same. If I let this to be a and I let it to be b, sorry, if I let it to be, if this is a, that means yeah, this is ca, and a minus a is what? Is 0. Because if all this represent a and all this represents still a minus a is what? Is 0. So it means that all this is now what? 0. Therefore, okay, therefore into b -8 all to the power of 100 minus into b -8 all to the power of 100 is equals to what? 0. So it means that all this you are seeing is just zero. This is the answer. Beautiful solution. So if you know that I really find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do it to like, comment, and share it with your loved ones so others will learn from it. And please, if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload exciting videos, you will notify. So thank you so much and God bless you. Bye.